How to check time spent watching YouTube videos. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find the time you've spent watching YouTube. First thing you have to do is go ahead and tap on YouTube. You don't need any third-party application for this. All you need is your YouTube account, and YouTube has its built-in feature where you're able to see the time you've watched YouTube. So tap on the profile at the bottom right. And then if you head over to the settings menu, there is no option to see the times watched or your screen time. So if you go back to your library, you can just go ahead and scroll down, and here you'll find the time watched option right above help and feedback. And if you tap on it, it will show you your daily screen time on YouTube. And if you want YouTube to remind you to take a break or remind when it's bedtime, you can turn it on from here. And that's pretty much it. That's how you watch your average daily screen time. So you could also see the screen time for the last 7 days. You will see a chart here as well. That's it. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.